Fucking A. It's going higher. Always. The Nasdaq pushing up there to the pivot point right now. Good Lord, good Lord. What is happening? CPI report came out this morning. I got a $40,000 payout approved. Oh, buddy. Payout approved. We'll see when it hits my bank account, but there goes the Nasdaq. Do-do-do-do-do. Nasdaq just on a tear right now. CPI report came out this morning, 454 level, and now up 100 points since. So it's time. Check this out. I got one little trade in here. I thought this was just, it was fucking too good to not take the trade. But took this little trade this morning. Locked in. My goal right now with these Apex, so I have these 11 accounts. I believe. Yeah, 11 accounts there. So I have 11 of these accounts. You can see they're all up over $50,000 right now. My goal is to just make $150 for the next 8 days, basically, and then try to get that payout. Fuck it. I mean, there's no point in going hard and trying to make a bunch of money when all I need to do is 8 more days or 7 more days. 7 more days of $150 a day, and we're done. It's over. Request the $500,000 payout. Boom. You know, look at it, still going. Could have been a little bit greedier on that. That's just one contract. I took one contract there from the 26s for that little breakout, and then up there to the 34s for $150 there. Consistency rule. Yeah, what about it? Are you not part of the 30% rule? Guys, I've been trading these accounts for over 50 days now. On average, I was making $2,000 a day. What do you mean consistency rule? You know what I mean? Like, what are you talking about? Consistency rule. We're good. We're consistent. Why 150? Well, I guess what I need $100 a day, right? I can't flip it. Pat, you did 10 points for 150. Yeah, from the 20, well, actually less than 10 points. 26 up there to the 34 on one contract, and you can see now it's up about 50 points. $50 a day. Well, even better. All right. Nasdaq just going straight up here. CPI report. We got this level here, 606. We're getting so freaking close, man. It's gonna be a good Christmas present. Which I think I gotta go out. I gotta buy something. I gotta like realize the profits, you know? I gotta take that $500,000 and go buy something. I'll buy a $250,000 car and I'll pay $250,000 in taxes. Great plan. But you can see last night I submitted 20 accounts payout. So you can see like right there, those accounts have been trading for 48 days, these 11 accounts. And then I've got 9 new accounts that have got 9 days of profit. And $2,000, we've taken 5 payouts so far. So this is the 5th payout of those 11 accounts. And that's a $40,000 payout. $40,000 payout approved. And hopefully in my bank account very soon. So Once the market opens, it's going to be chop chop, somebody said in the chat. Well, I think we might get a pullback, but hey, we'll see what happens. We've seen this before. CPI report comes out, the market goes straight up, and then it just dumps right back to where it started. Anything's possible. No one cares but your ego. I don't know, chat. Do you guys care if I make money or not? Do you care if I make money? I mean, I know that, you know, nowadays you can be a drug king, what do you call it? A drug king. You can get arrested with $800,000 in cash, pounds of cocaine, and everything else, and still the internet will love you and never show any profit as a day trader. Kingpin, yeah, drug lord. I don't know, if you guys are watching me live on YouTube, wouldn't it be in your best interest to care that I make money? Kingpin. There we go. And so, I don't know. Dude, Casper is a scammer. Yeah, no shit. God, I got a fucking, got like gas right here. I had a protein shake. I guess the protein shake not liking it right now. Ugh. Like I said yesterday, if you're watching somebody on YouTube and all they talk about is how they don't care about making money and all they'd want to do is help people, I would run away. I would run very far away. I would run, and I would really just run away from that, because I mean, if you're like, what are you trying to do? You're trying to make money, right? As a trader. So what the fuck are you watching somebody that their whole entire mantra is, I don't care about making money. I'm just here to help you guys. I want to make money. You know, like, at least, you know, with me, you know, it's like, you know, you'd be like, I hate Patrick, but you gotta be like, damn, you know, he make money. You know, that fucker makes some money, you know? It's like, goddamn, he makes some money. that guy's making the money. Duff Bear, can you get a link? You check your spam email. If you bought the course, everybody that bought the course got an email with the link for the webinar today. I like watching you and Dodgy. What's your beef with Dodgy? Dodgy's like a 20-year-old kid who runs a Discord who makes no money trading and then teaching people how to trade ICT. Again, it's like, I don't want to sit here and like waste all day talking about it, but like, if your guru is teaching you how to trade ICT, who also learned from ICT, or like the guy that supposedly invented ICT can't make money, but your guru who is teaching you to trade ICT, like, they make money? I'm so confused. How does that work? That's my problem with Dodgy. Richard took an $800,000. Richard took an $800 withdrawal from Take Profit Trader. Let's go. You talk shit, but you know your shit. Hey, I stand on business, baby. I stand on business. The best is Riz. Riz says that I'm an internet keyboard warrior, and everyone knows it. And I said, okay, I can't wait to slap you back to Pakistan when you come to Miami. It's so weird. I don't know how anyone is gonna say that I'm a keyboard warrior. All I ever do is stand on my business. Everything that I've ever fucking said I was gonna do, I did. So, Tyler just got back from Hawaii. That place is awesome. Hey, I do miss it. It's hard because I would love to kind of live in Hawaii full time, but it's hard, man. It's hard to build a business, to do all that stuff. No racism. It's not racism. He's Pakistani, and I'm gonna slap him back to Pakistan. He's not American. So it's not racist at all. If it was racist, I would say something like, you know, oh, I'm not gonna say it, but like I'd say something like, you know, something else. Rips is Pakistani. No, Riz. Rizdub is Pakistani. Riz is from Kazakhstan. Where the fuck is Kazakhstan? All I know is America, all right? America. If you're not from America, I don't give a fuck. If you have the course and you did not get the link for the webinar, email info@onlyprofirms.com. Send proof that you bought the course to info@onlyprofirms.com. Do you recommend buying your course and then watching your live streams? Yeah, I mean, that would obviously help. But at the end of the day, the course is not required by any means. Nasdaq still pushing. Another little bull flag breakout there. This thing is going. Look at it. Bull flag. Bull flag. Look at this too. Like we talked about, what, yesterday or the day before? That 21 EMA there. Like, you know, if you're sitting here and you're looking at this setup right here, you're like, okay, like, is it going to go? Like, is it going to break out here? Probably, you know, better chance. Wait for that pullback into the 21 EMA there. Especially when we get that far extended. It's like, just be patient, wait for the pullback, rip, there you go. That's why I love the 21 EMA. I'd have a lot more money in my pocket if I would have just, because the thing too is like, if I wait for that pullback into that 21 EMA, I'm gonna get, number one, just a better entry. I'm gonna get just better risk to reward. You know, I'm gonna be able to hold the trade longer, all that stuff. You know, like we said yesterday, patience. There's plenty of times where the market is just going straight up or going straight down and you just got to sit there and you got to wait for a good setup. You know, we shouldn't be like, oh my God, the market's moving without me. We're like, okay, cool. The market is making a move. Let me see if it'll form a setup for me to trade. You know? Think about that. Or just hopefully you get locked out while you're in a short and the market goes straight down. Also a good strategy. Matt, I don't use pivot points on Tradeovate. I only use pivot points on TradingView. All right, right now, looking at the 15-minute chart, big move up here. We're going to be running into this resistance at that 600 level. We got stuck there yesterday. Be ready for anything, my friends. Up, down, left, right. It could get crazy today. We got that big move up pre-market CPI report. The data came out. The market obviously likes it. Probably going to be more rate cuts coming. And yeah, baby, it's time to party. It's time to party. Rate cuts with core CPI rising. Hey, I already told you guys what's going to happen. If you don't understand what is going to happen in the USA, you gotta listen up. It's very simple. They're going to cut rates. They're going to create more inflation. And that'll devalue the dollar, print more dollars, create tariffs. The tariffs will basically make money for America. The interest rates dropping, the inflation going through the roof will make the debt that the USA owes to China basically like worthless. Like that's the goal. The next 10 years is going to be hyperinflation. If you don't, that's the only way that America can service the debt. That's the only way. It's inevitable. Hyperinflation is coming. Buy things that are, finite. So, how does tariffs make money? Well, basically everything that America imports will have a huge tariff on it. And America, the country, will make money. Buy Lamborghinis, baby. That's my plan. More Lamborghinis. I'm thinking I'm going to buy an Aventador next. V12 Aventador. Lamborghinis going up. Tariffs will make products more expensive. They will. iPhones will probably double in price. That will also cause inflation. Wages will have to go up. More production in America. What will happen is the tariffs will make it so that businesses will finally be able to build products in America for cheaper than you could buy them from China. And that's the goal. I know I might look like a fucking moron, but I'm telling you, in 5 years from now, come back to this video and see what happens. Wages won't go up. They will actually, because now there's going to be more manufacturing. There's going to be more jobs in America. There'll be more warehouses. Everything will have to be built. More infrastructure will have to be built. Construction will go crazy. You're now going from everything being built in China to all of a sudden you now got to build stuff in America because it's cheaper to build it in America and sell it than to buy it and build it in China. The wages will go up, inflation will go up. It's all fucking like, it is what it is. Pipe dream won't happen. Peter, it will happen. It's already happening. It's already happening. Sorry, but there is no way that we can produce cheaper than China. Do you know what tariffs are? Do you know what tariffs are? It's not that everything will cost more money. It's just that they're devaluing the dollar. They have to devalue the dollar so that they can pay the debt. It's very simple. You get rid of income tax. You then make the tariffs much higher. People will pay more for products that they buy. The country will make money off of all the imports. The country will then start exporting as well. If you had $1,000 in your bank account 10 years ago and you just didn't touch it and you held on to it and you saved it for 10 years, that $10,000 is probably worth like what? 30% less than what it was 10 years ago? Maybe more? It sounds too simple, but it sounds too simple because that's what I'm saying. They are not interested in paying the debt. They're not, but they have to service it. They have to pay the interest on it. That's why they need interest rates to come down. All right. Either way, argue with me all you want. We'll see what happens in 5 years. All I know is I got my Lambo and I'm chilling. The dollar is gaining on the euro because the euro is losing value as well. Pretty much all fiat currency will be worthless one day. In fucking 20, 30 years or whatever, like, I'd be surprised if the US dollar even exists anymore as a physical dollar. I've already talked about the idea of just basically getting rid of the dollar and just wiping the debt. You do a fucking create like a cryptocurrency for the USA. All right, well, I don't know about you, but this looks a little dangerous. I think we'll probably try to push up there above that 600 level here at open, but after that, not sure what's gonna happen. Look at this hourly chart right now. We got 3 minutes till market opens. What if someone attacks our power grid? Then what do we use? Generators? I don't fucking know. I got a generator. How many accounts do you buy at once? Just depends, I guess. I don't know. What's the trade plan today? I do feel like there has to be some type of pullback here, but I mean, look at this move already. Since CPI report came out, we've already had a big move up. That hourly candle, like if you look at the previous days that we've had this week, you know, these hourly candles kind of do a big move up and then just kind of get to a point where they start consolidating and chopping. So I do feel like this is just kind of gonna run up here and then probably chop around at the top. You got this 600 area to break through. So what about gold? Like I said, anything that's scarce, anything that's not easily just recreated by printing or whatever, has value. I think silver is gonna do really well in the future. Silver seems to be very undervalued. All right, we got less than a minute here till the market opens up. I just buy silver coins. I feel like silver coins are always a good thing to have laying around. Good little, like, silver is obviously a lot cheaper than gold per ounce, so you can get a lot more silver. Obvious venture is land. I think farmland for sure. These coins are Canadian Elizabeth coins. 1 ounce of silver. But normally just buy whatever is the cheapest to get the silver. Doesn't really matter what coin it is. Here we go, 2 seconds. Market's open. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. The pullback here could be nasty. Big old gap up. We closed yesterday all the way down here at the 21,400 area. We'll see what happens. Not really looking to do anything until we like have a setup here. Too indecisive to see what happens right here, right now, but pulling back. Pulled it back there to the 74 level for now. 70 area. Sitting right there at the 21 EMA for now. And ripped it right back up there. Will the market run that 600 level? Right now, just holding on there. Yesterday's high was 605s. ES is like trying to make a push. Nasdaq's right here below the 90s. Through that 90 area, see if they go right through the 600s there next. The high of that first candle was 95.75. So through that like 95 level, they rip it up here into the 600s to take out yesterday's high. There's that trying to push to the 600s now. They want that 605 level. Let's see. They want that 605 level, man. Up there through the 600s now, taking out that 605, the high from yesterday. The next level is 649 up there, resistance from Monday. So Tuesday's high was 605. Monday's high, 930 high, would have been 640, 650 area. Still going. She's a runner, she's a track star. The government cannot just simply wipe out the debt. The government can do whatever the fuck it wants, to be honest. Because the USA has the largest military in the world. So who's gonna tell us to not wipe out the debt? Nobody. Think about that. Who's gonna stop America from doing whatever the fuck we want? Yeah, I mean, having a little bit of trouble so far here, 620 area. That 650 is your next like resistance area right here. This chart right now is just wild. Look at the 15-minute chart right now. Got the 21 EMA down there at the 72s now. The webinar later will be recorded, yes, 100%. All right, this has got to pull back here. $21 EMA down there at the 575s. If you bought the course but you did not get a link for the webinar, email info@onlyprofirms.com with proof that you bought the course. We sent an email last night to everybody. Check your spam. Check your fucking regular, I don't know, check your email, people. The webinar will not be up. The webinar will be posted to the course, so anybody that misses it can watch it later on. Nasdaq still holding on up here. It's just like we said yesterday, it's a tricky spot. You know, at a certain point you're like, fuck. Is the risk worth the reward here? I don't know. Again, ripping up there. If we squeeze up here to this 50 level, I might look for a short. Gotta take out that like 50 area. Just waiting to see how this is gonna react up here. I would love to like get one more big boner candle and then we know like that it's looking real juicy to come back down. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-da. The hourly chart just don't look good. Pulling back here again. We got 9:45 news this morning. What is pushing the market? It could be a little combination of people getting squeezed, but it's also just like end of the year. What are you gonna do? Just buy stocks, man. Santa Claus rally, classic. Hey Patrick, your book changed my life. Wow. I hope you're being sarcastic. Yeah, if you did not get the email, search your email. Only prop firms, one word. Look in your spam, look in whatever. Promotions tab. All right, let's get this just fucking, I guess there is news coming out at 9:45. We get this little pump up here into that 50 level. See if there's a short opportunity here. All of the countries at once against America still can't beat us. Even if every single country in the world decided to attack America at the same time, they still would not be able to beat us. America is literally geographically in one of the best places in the world. Because there really is no, the only way to attack America by land is either through Mexico or through Canada. And we have an insane missile defense system, so. China and India has 3 billion people. Well, I guarantee I could take on at least fucking 100,000 Chinese. Give me one fucking AR-15. I'll take on the whole goddamn Chinese army, baby. No problem. No fucking problem. I've been playing Call of Duty my whole life. I'm ready for this shit. I got my axe. You think I keep this axe laying around for nothing? You think I keep this laying around for nothing? No. I'm ready for the Chinese invasion. Those little fuckers ain't gonna get me. All right, we're pushing 650s. Let's get one more little boner push here. This thing's got to be so overextended. It's got to be. Oh. The market don't gotta be shit, homie. Oh, it gotta be what I say it's gotta be. Gotta be what I say it's gotta be. What you talking about? Just looking for like a very boner candle, like one more, just like one more boner candle, just fucking straight up here for a short. $15-minute range breakout there. The next level to the upside is 21,700 there. Still boner candling. That hourly candle. Oh. Good Lord. Good Lord, hourly candle. Got another little like bull, like mini bull, these little like mini bull flags trying to form, but if this thing starts losing this support, it's coming straight back down. So, look at the 1 minute chart here. The Dow right now is actually making new lows. The ES, everything's just fucking super overextended. With all your profits, why do you need to keep running ads on your stream? Well, unfortunately, I want more money. You know? Even though I have $1 million, I still want 2 million. You know, like you don't just get to a point where you have enough money and then you just stop caring about making money. You know, at least personally. I'm just trying to get rich, man. All right, we kind of popped up here above these highs. We got to, the bulls got to keep squeezing, or it's got, this is going to be the fucking trap. I don't know. At some point, I would like to retire from fucking live streaming on YouTube one day. That would be nice, you know. No offense, but at some point, I'd like to just make enough money and just disappear forever and go live in Timbuktu, baby. All right, Nasdaq. Fucking A. I mean, what are you gonna do here? Literally. I don't know what you do. Just still sitting. I mean, nothing. It's hard to get short when it just keeps fucking going. You know, we haven't had like a rejection candle yet. We haven't really had anything that looks bearish, but it's also like, it's just so overextended that the risk to reward here is fucking hard, man. Dude, all-time high breakout would be above 706s. Look at that daily candle right now. We're going for it. All-time high. Good Lord. What is happening? A little bit of trouble there at the 95s. running into resistance there. This could start to pull back here. Let's see. People getting shy. Getting shy. All right, 21 EMA down there. Got the 15-minute opening range breakout, 640 area. Market's going up, CPI report's hot. Because it's all a fucking scam, man. None of that shit's real. People be like, those numbers aren't even real. Just like fucking Jerome Powell and those guys just sitting around going, okay, the CPI report is, it's 3%. Come on. You think the government actually tells us what the real numbers are? Remember when the government told us that we should all get vaccinated because it would help everybody not die? Remember that? That worked out well, didn't it? I remember when Biden told everybody that, like, if you don't get vaccinated, you're gonna die. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. If you don't get vaccinated, you're gonna die. The winter of death. What happened to the winter of death, you know? What happened to it? What happened to the winter of death? Hey, raise your hand if you're a pure blood. Thank God. I never bent the knee. Never bent the knee. That's right. Can't take me out. I lived in Hawaii too, which was like literally the most liberal bullshit state there is. I'll sell you my blood. That's how I'm really gonna get rich one day. Selling my blood and my sperm. Unvaccinated genius sperm. I think it's got some value to it. I'm just putting that out there. Jeb said, I and everyone I know took the jab and we're fine. Hey, guess what, Jeb? I did not get jabbed and I'm fine too. So joke's on you, bro. Joke's on you. The joke is on you. Fucking Nasdaq, boys. It ain't gonna stop. We're going all-time highs all day, every day. I love when people were like, Patrick, I have my booster, I've gotten vaccinated, I've got the triple booster, I've got the quadruple booster, and I'm totally healthy. I'm like, well, I don't want to be rude, but I think you have a case of retardation. You might be a little retarded if you have the booster, the triple booster, the quadruple booster, the double booster, all the boosters. It might not be a health issue anymore to worry about. It might be just the simple idea that you are simply just retarded. This has got to pull back. I don't care what anyone says. At some point, this shit's got to pull back. This is fucking retarded right now. The Dow's making new lows right now. The Nasdaq's at the fucking all-time high. Got a goddamn hourly candle from hell. That's the devil's dick right there, boys. You know, there's boner candles, and then there's the devil's dick. And that's what it looks like. Just straight fuck it up. That's an hourly candle as well. No wicks, just straight to the fucking moon. God. I mean, like, do you get long? Do you get short? Like, I don't fucking know. What do you do here? Like, God. At this point, it's just like, what the fuck? Oh, God. It just keeps going higher. I know what I'm not gonna do. I am definitely not gonna fucking do anything stupid here. I'm not in the mood to lose money today. I'm in the mood to make some money. I don't know about you guys, but the old saying, buy low, sell high, you know, hey, I don't know. One more push and then we come down. That makes sense. Get above the all-time high and then fucking slam it back down here. Would be nice. This has got to pull back. It's just got to. This could be the dump right here. If we start losing this 70-80 area through the 21 EMA, rip. Got to get through 80s. Still holding up there at the 80s. Another little flag kind of breakout here again. Popped up there through the 700s now. All-time high, breaking. Right there at that pivot point now. Gotta get back below 700 here. Another little bull flag here on the 1 minute chart. All right, I'm trying this fucker short. Stop above the 31s. YOLO, baby. Could be a big payday. I'd be looking for at least like back into that 600 level. Like 640s or so. Fuck it. Oh, God. Might be a little early here. Let's see. Everybody in the chat, it's all good. Don't worry. We'll be okay either way. We're gonna be all right, boys. Don't worry. Even if I lose, we're gonna be all right. That's part of trading. Sometimes you gotta grab your balls and you gotta just fucking pull the trigger. You know, that's welcome to the world of trading. It happens sometimes. Tired of looking at it. Poor reason to take a trade. Maybe. We'll find out. Come on, Nasdaq, drop it down. Drop it down. Drop it down, Nasdaq. Drop it down, Nasdaq. If we get through that 710 level, I think we could really take it down quickly. Now it's gonna bull flag on me. Fuck. Definitely early on this trade, but I thought the risk to reward was there. Just got to get back through that 710 pivot right there. And then I'll move my stop down. Try to trail this down like 660s, 640s possibly. Just want to clear out 710s here. This candle's gonna just go straight up now. Fuck. We needed to lose that 710, but we didn't lose it. Stopped out there, all good. Welcome to the world of trading, my friends. I mean, we were up like 800 bucks on that trade. We could have taken the profit, but I was looking for more. It's all good. It doesn't really hurt my feelings at all. My P&L is still very green on the day, so either way, we're chilling. It's all good. Give back a little bit of profit. As you can see, those accounts are up over $50,000 in the last 40 days of trading. Again, it won't kill me. Take a trade, and now we look for the next opportunity. So, welcome to trading. I blew my account because of your incorrect signal. I highly doubt that. Now we pull back. I took 10 points, guys. Like, I took 10 points on that. I don't know how the fuck do you blow your account on fucking 10 points? You shut the fuck. Now it's gonna pull back. That's exactly what we needed. I blew my account. You didn't blow your fucking account. Why don't you use the RSI? I can't. Like, I can't. I can't with this chat sometimes. Fucking A. There's the pullback. Anthony, Patrick, when will you trade? Hey, Anthony, we go. You fuck. All right, I'm just like about to be over the chat. It's fucking retarded sometimes. Where the fuck has Anthony been? Did we not just trade? The fuck? Oh, God. There's the pullback. I don't know. I'm an idiot, clearly. Clearly, I'm the idiot here. I seriously, I cannot wait. I can't wait for the new warehouse because I told you. Like, everybody in the chat who thinks they're Warren Buffett, I would love to come see you trade live. I would fucking love it. I would love to see it. Everybody, I'm like, it's amazing to see the people in the chat that are like, oh, I got long and open and I just now sold at the top. I'm like, God damn. Like, if I was making that much money trading, the fuck, I would not be watching some fucking moron on YouTube, to be honest. Yes, I call myself a moron, but I'm just saying, like, you know, if I was making as much money as some of the people in the chat claim to be making, like, I mean, I would just be like, I don't know, fucking making money and fucking, like, not sitting talking in the chat, you know? That's what I'd be doing. But hey, what do I know about being rich, I guess? ES is pulling back. 15-minute chart on the Nasdaq pulling back here into the pivot point there. VWAP's all the way down there at the 594s. I mean, I don't think it was the reason of having a bias that messed me up. I think the issue is just like, you know, I don't fucking know. What am I gonna do? The market just went straight up. Like, it didn't really give us any like good setups. So whatever. I took 10 points right there, short from the 709s to the 701s. So whatever. I take it. I lock it in. We're up $500 times 9 accounts, and then $150 in the 11 accounts that I'm working on getting the $500,000 payout by hopefully I got 7 more days. So next Friday should be the day. You were stopped out basically at the top. You're not wrong. I literally got stopped out 3 points from the fucking top. So, you know. I think I just had my stop a little too tight right there. Or if we go back and we look, I mean, obviously this was the candle that we needed right there. I was kind of like waiting for that. We talked about that like denial candle right there. So just kind of needed to be a little bit more patient, to be honest. You know, that's all. Pulling back there into the 21 EMA, hitting the pivot point there now. I mean, I think, you know, the lesson of the day, the lesson of the day really just comes down to, you know, CPI report comes out, you get a big move up like that pre-market. Kind of missed out on the safer entries, right? You missed out on the better setups. I took a trade here this morning for that push up and locked in profit, but, you know, after that, it's like, fuck, what are you going to do? It's easy to sit here in hindsight and be like, oh, Patrick, why did you not just get long? And you could have held all the way. I mean, if anybody's going to sit here in the chat and tell me that they fucking, like, knew exactly what was going to happen, like, hey, more power to you, you know? Like, and that's how it is. I mean, fuck, I don't know. It's easy to sit here in hindsight and be like, oh, but Patrick, why didn't you do this and do this and do this? Well, yeah, no shit. So, I think all that matters at the end of the day, all that matters, my friends, is very simple. Are you green? Are you red? Did you follow the plan? And yeah, that's all it is. It's that simple. You know? Show up, make money. Sometimes you get the big days and you make a lot of money and it works out beautifully and you're happy. And then other days, some shit like this happens and you're just fucking like, duh, you know, duh, like. So. Will you give directions on the day trade if you invite the trades to your warehouse? No. If I have traders come to my warehouse, I'm not gonna be holding their hand. I want traders who actually like know how to trade. It's not gonna be like a learning experience. So, you know, like it's the trading floor is gonna be dog eat dog. It's not gonna be like beginner friendly at all. So maybe we'll have like some little, you know, in-person kind of fucking, I don't know, fucking beginner days or something. But like when it comes to the trading, it's going to be dog eat dog. If you're not good, get the fuck out. No dumb questions. We got no time. It's going to be trading and make fucking money. Different strategies? Yeah, I'm all for it. I have nothing against traders who have different strategies. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter what strategy you trade. If you trade ICT, you trade fucking momentum, you trade support resistance, it's all the same shit. The market's fucking going up and down. You just have different words for it. You're like, well, look, that's a bearish, you know, blah, blah, blah. It's like, well, no, that's just a bull flag or that's a bear flag. You know, like at the end of the day, the market is going to move where it's going to move. And if you have a strategy that helps you predict where it's going to go or helps you find a good entry to follow the trend, then, hey, I got nothing against it. People think that I like hate every other strategy. I really don't. But it comes down what I hate is that there's so many people out there that basically make trading very difficult and then they try to teach other people how to make it difficult as well. You know, that's like the problem. You have these quote unquote expert day traders teaching people how to trade like this very complicated system when the actual educator, the teacher, the mentor, the guru themselves can't even make money doing it. You know, that's the difference. I'm all for it. You know, if you have if you're a trader and you have some fucking crazy strategy that nobody else in the entire world trades, I'd be very fucking surprised. But again, I'm not against, you know, having all types of strategies. I would love to have an ICT trader in the warehouse, to be honest. I would. I got nothing against it. I don't care what strategy you trade. If you make money, I fucking want to see you trade. So, maybe a good business, live trading teaching. I don't, but see, that's the thing is, like, I don't want to be a business. I don't want to be a guru, a mentor, bullshit. Like, I really don't. Like, I just want to trade. I want to make money. I want to talk shit. I want to have fun. And I think people will learn along the way. Like, there's so many, like, if you watch these fucking YouTubes every day, I feel like real world experience is what we're learning here. We're learning real fucking, it's not sitting around in hindsight and being like, hey everybody, so let's break down the chart from yesterday. And then looking at the chart and being like, so if you look right here, okay, so this morning, there is a bull flag, right? So if you would have bought right here at the 524s, if you would have bought right there, and then you would have sold all the way up here, you would have made so much money. So yeah, basically that would have been, you know, the play of the day. You know, that's my favorite. When people are like, all right, everybody, let's do a recap for the day. Okay, so basically, if you would have bought here and sold here, you would have made money. And you're like, whoa. Whoa. You know, whoa, that's fucking amazing. How did you know? And what's funny is if you sit here and I look at this chart now in hindsight, you know, like at the end of the day, if you did not trade, if you didn't trade this morning and you got on the computer tonight and you looked at this chart, you'd be like, damn, like that looks so easy, right? Like, wow, you would have been like, I would have made so much money today if I would have traded, you know, hey, because I would have for sure just bought here and I would have sold here. I mean, what kind of idiot wouldn't have done that? You know, but when you actually fucking trade it, you're like, holy, you're having to watch it and you're seeing it happen and you're having to like go through the fucking actual battle of it. It's a totally different fucking ball game. You know, there's a reason that a lot of people on YouTube teach trading, but a lot of them don't actually do the fucking live streams and fucking call out the shit and actually trade it. You know, there's a reason. There's a reason most gurus can't show you that they have $50,000 in P&L across 11 accounts. Over $200,000 and what, $300,000, $400,000. I don't even fucking know. There's too many payouts. I think, yeah, I've got over 100,000 with Top Step paid out this in literally 2 months this year. Recently made it on the leaderboard and all that. And then with the Apex accounts, I think I'm close to 200,000 in payouts now. And then if I get the $500,000 payout, then it's it, man. $21 EMA acting as support here. Nasdaq wanting to push. Did you blow TS? Yeah, all the Top Step accounts are gone. I'm over their bullshit. I took my $100,000 in payouts and I said, all right, fuck you guys. I'm out of here. Listen, man, you should short now. Right now? Javier says, listen, man, you should short now. Okay. Hold on. Let me get short real quickly. Are you going to have TVs and desks already set up for trading? Yes. Why don't you trade EMA entries? I mean, I don't know. We're at the all-time high. Look at this fucking hourly candle right now. I mean, what do you want from me? I personally don't think it's a good idea to get long up here right now. I might be wrong. It might go higher, but I don't think the risk to reward is good enough. You know, like how much, I have no idea how high the market can go. Maybe it gets stuck here and fucking slams right back down. Maybe it goes to the fucking 800, 900s. I don't fucking know. Your code gives only 50% because Apex is only 50% off. Shabab, oh my fucking God. Dude. This guy asked the fucking same question for the last hour. Are you fucking retarded? Are you, where the fuck are you? Were you just sitting at your house just, Patrick, why is the Apex 50% and not 80%? Patrick, why is the Apex 50% not 80%? Patrick, why is Apex code 50% not 80%? Patrick. I can't. Oh, God. I mean, the funny part is I don't even have, I can literally make $100 every day for the next 8 days or next 7 days and still make more money than fucking 99% of the fucking idiots on YouTube. So it's it's over. The end of the year, it's fucking December, baby. I'm getting my $500,000 payout and everybody can just fucking suck it. Oh, Patrick, but you didn't get short. You didn't get short at the top. I've already locked it. I'm done. I'm just fucking, I've already landed. You know, I was flying the plane. I was flying it and I fucking landed it. And now I've got fucking like 7 more days just to kind of coast right on in. You know, I just got to coast. Just got to fucking coast to the fucking bank. You know, just the plane is on the ground. You know, I am one payout away from $500,000. One payout. Why did you drop Top Step? Well, just because I think My Cup Attack is the fucking biggest joke in the whole entire industry. I might get in trouble for saying that, but it's the truth. Anybody that wants to deny it is an idiot, and it's very simple. I've worked with them enough, and I know, so yep. What are you gonna do with that much money? Probably just pay taxes, honestly. Brew, you didn't even show all the trades live. You're right. I'm a scam. Don't watch me. Go ahead and leave now. Leave now. Don't buy the course. I heard Casper. He got caught selling fucking cocaine and other shit, and you know he has a course for $10,000 and he teaches people how to get funded. So that might be your best option, honestly. I think, yeah, if I was you, I would leave this channel. I would go sign up for Casper's $10,000 mentorship. And then I guarantee you that you'll be a profitable trader in no time. Javier, am I still going short or am I going long? I'm confused. Which one is it now? Javier, I just made 50K. I told you, man, wake up. Didn't you just say to short? How did you make 50K? You told me to get short and then it went up. I'm so confused right now. I'm so fucking confused sometimes. Does Casper's course come with free snowflakes? Definitely. Every course comes with a little bag of goodies. Hey Patrick, how confident are you that Apex actually pays 500,000? Well, I don't want to, I don't want to point out the obvious here, but let's just say I'm the biggest, the largest. You know what I mean? So just putting that out there. I mean, they've approved every payout that I've had so far, so. I see no reason for them not to pay out. That's what I'm basically pointing out. This guy paid $2. Your code only gives 50%. Why? Because right now Apex is only 50% off, not 80%. I gotta change the bot. Oh my god. Apology. Oh man, that's funny. Oh man. I can't wait to have the warehouse because like imagine like having 10 other traders in the warehouse right now behind me. Like I could turn around and be like, all right, what are you guys doing back there? We'll have little microphones, cameras set up, and the people will be like, all right, I'm short. I'm like, what are you guys doing? I think it's gonna be a totally different experience, right? You've got 10 people all trading in the same room and doing it live on YouTube. Like it might get heated. We might need a bodyguard. I might need to hire a security guard or a bouncer. Honestly, I might need to hire a bouncer. I'm not gonna lie. Like there might need to be someone that like throws somebody out because I feel like I'm gonna get in an argument with someone live on YouTube. Fist fight. I'm gonna make everybody that comes to the warehouse has to sign a release that if Patrick punches you in the face, it's not, you can't hold him liable, you know? Can't hold him liable. Nasdaq back down again. All right, we got the webinar at 12 o'clock, so I'm going to go ahead and just tune out now, and then we'll be back at 12 o'clock for the private webinar for everybody who bought the course. So, yo, bro, I'll come for a few days if you fly me out from New York. All right, send me a verified track record of your trades showing that you've got payouts and stuff, and I'll fly you from New York. How about that? Let me know. I have the course. How do we get into the webinar? You get an email. Search your spam email, your promotion email. Just search your email for only prop firms. Nasdaq just sitting right there at the pivot point for now. As much as I kind of wanted to get short up there, but I feel like sometimes it's just better to let the market do what it's going to do and walk away in the green. So that's what I've got to focus on right now. I've got 7 days. Don't fuck around. Don't do anything stupid. Don't fucking try to YOLO. I don't even need to make more profit. I just got to not lose. You know, like just fucking hit my little profit and be done. Get my fucking payout. Next Friday, you know, like literally next Friday, I can request a $500,000 payout. So it's like, why am I even stressing? Why am I even like worried about it? Who fucking cares? You know, like whoa, Patrick's I'm gonna make another $1,000 a day. Who the fuck cares? Just let it be. Luckily, we'll be doing it here live on YouTube right now. The Nasdaq again, just chopping around at the highs. All-time high, Nasdaq to the moon. Do you plan on withdrawing all of it? Oh, yeah. I want all of it. Why not go for $1 million? I would go for $1 million if it wasn't December, right? This market has not been very, very good to me. Like, I just feel like the beginning of December and where we're at right now, it's been hard. A lot of chop, a lot of ranges, just not the best like momentum stuff. So you're gonna lose the accounts because of the threshold? Yeah, probably. What happens if Apex denies the payout? Well, I don't know. I guess we'll have to find out, to be honest. I don't know. I don't think they would deny the payout because, like I said, I am Patrick Wieland, and I think that obviously makes me probably not the best person to deny a payout to. But hey, I've been working with Apex for the last year. Kind of feel like I've defended them a lot of times when shit was going wrong and blah, blah, blah. So we'll see. We'll see. I mean, I probably I don't need a lawyer up. I think I don't know. I don't even want to think about it, to be honest. I just want to like get there. Next Friday, I want to get done. I want to get the fucking payout, and then I just want to I'm gonna literally submit the payout on Friday. I'm going to New York City next week. I'm gonna fucking just get ready for Christmas and then be the new year, you know? People need to learn how to trade. Been long since the breakout before open. How many contracts are you long? 1 micro contract, 2 micro, how many? Come on, well, where'd you go? Fucking people, man. Patrick, why did you not just get long at the open and you would have made so much money today? Gotta love it. Rogue Trader 24/7. Yes. Email info@onlyprofirms.com. If you bought the fucking course, email them. You got 1 hour. Check your spam. Check your fucking promotions. It's there. We sent an email to everybody. I'm not like trying. People think that I'm like not like trying to allow them to go to the webinar. Like I've sent over fucking 3,500 emails to people. Like, please check your emails. You'll figure it's there. We sent it. It's in the spam for some people. Please check your emails before coming here and crying about you not getting it, you know? God. Tink Trades, come see me for a tattoo. Maybe. All right, I gotta go. Someone says, been long since open. Still long. Long always. Wow. Congratulations. I mean, okay. Congratulations. All right, I gotta go. I gotta go take a break for an hour before I come back and do the webinar. Hopefully the webinar won't be a bunch of idiots in there. So, see you guys tomorrow morning if you're not gonna be on there later, or I'll see you later. So, there it is. Peace to the Middle East. We're getting closer and closer and closer to Christmas. And, well, the biggest payout ever.